Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best 1-gallon container is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for any home or commercial kitchen, offering a reliable solution for storing everything from bulk dry goods like flour, sugar, and grains to liquids such as water, oils, or homemade sauces, ensuring freshness and preventing spills with its robust construction and secure sealing mechanism, making it an indispensable tool for meal prepping, pantry organization, and preserving your favorite ingredients for longer periods. Number 5. Waring Commercial CB15 Ultra Heavy Duty Blender. Experience the ultimate in blending power with this ultra heavy duty commercial motor. It's designed to consistently handle high volume production for all your professional kitchen needs. Easily prepare large batches thanks to the spacious 1-gallon stainless steel container. Its stackable design is perfect for busy commercial operations and efficient restaurant service. Achieve the perfect consistency every time with 3 speed selections and a max pulse function. Effortlessly chop, mix, and blend a variety of ingredients to your exact specifications. This blender is built to last with its ultra heavy-duty construction and durable stainless steel container. It's designed for efficient storage, even in space-constrained commercial kitchens. Operating at 120V with a standard 5 to 15 phase plug, it provides reliable performance. It's engineered to meet the demands of high-traffic food service environments and busy kitchen operations. What we like? This is the powerhouse for serious blending needs. Its ultra-heavy-duty motor and large stainless steel container are built for high-volume commercial use. If you are running a busy cafe or restaurant and need consistent, professional results for smoothies and more, this is your go-to. What people say? Perfect for industrial use. Best for commercial use. Such a powerful machine. You can do anything with this blender. Number 4. Pinnacle Mercantile 1-gallon plastic jars 2-pack. Experience exceptional clarity with these jars, made from durable, impact-resistant plastic. They offer the look of glass without the fragility, and the wide mouth makes filling and dispensing a breeze. Keep your supplies neatly organized and easily identifiable. Their transparency allows you to see contents at a glance, simplifying storage in any room of your home or workspace. Perfect for a wide range of items, from kitchen staples like spices and dry goods to craft supplies and toiletries. These containers are designed for your diverse storage needs. These containers are BPA-free and food contact approved for your peace of mind. While not dishwasher or microwave safe, they are freezer safe for versatile preservation. Each jar comes with a white, ribbed cap featuring a foam liner for a secure seal. The ribbed design ensures easy opening and closing. Support American jobs and businesses with these jars and lids, proudly made in the USA. They are shrink-wrapped for protection during shipping. What we like? These jars offer excellent visibility and easy access for a variety of dry goods. Their clear, impact-resistant plastic and wide mouth make them perfect for organizing pantries, craft supplies, or small parts. If you value organization and want to see your contents at a glance, these are a fantastic choice. What people say? These jars are tough too. I don't have to concern about losing my grip and dropping it and cracking it. The jar itself is flexible enough to absorb certain amount of impact when dropped. Great for freezing any liquids. I use them for layered breakfast jars, granola, oats, fruit and yogurt, and for salad on the go, they are perfect. Number 3. Pinnacle Mercantile 1-gallon plastic jug, 2-pack. Introducing our multi-purpose 1-gallon jugs, perfect for storing a wide variety of liquids. From water and sauces to soaps and detergents, these containers handle it all with ease. Each jug comes with a screw-on cap designed to keep your contents secure. This feature helps prevent spills and messes, ensuring your liquids stay fresh and contained. Made from food-safe, BPA-free HDPE plastic, these jugs are built to last. They are also dishwasher-friendly, offering a sustainable solution for your liquid storage needs. Our heavy-duty containers are crafted from high-density polyethylene, making them suitable for personal, commercial, or industrial use. They are designed for long-term reliability. These versatile jugs can withstand extreme temperatures, from -100°F to 180°F. This makes them safe for use in freezers, closets, or cabinets, offering ultimate flexibility. What we like? These jugs are designed for versatile liquid storage with a focus on durability and safety. The leak-resistant cap and heavy-duty HDPE construction make them ideal for everything from water to sauces and cleaners. If you need reliable, reusable containers for personal or commercial liquid storage, these are a great option. What people say. They feel strong, heavy-duty, and the handle makes it easy to carry around. The screw lid fits tight, making a leak-proof seal. Perfect for transporting liquids without worrying about breakage or spillage. These containers are very, very heavy-duty, thick, plastic. Number 2. Stock your home 1-gallon food storage bags with twist ties, 225 count. Our gallon food storage bags are built to last, easily holding various food items without tearing. They are freezer safe, perfect for meal prep or saving leftovers. These food-grade plastic bags offer a generous 1-gallon size, ideal for storing bulk items or larger portions. The included twist ties make storage simple and convenient. Simplify your cleanup with these disposable storage bags. They are perfect for busy households, picnics, parties, and any event where quick disposal is key. These gallon bags are excellent for storing a wide variety of items, from food and snacks to bread. They are also great for organizing non-food items, offering a versatile storage solution. Get incredible value with this bulk pack, containing 225 bags in total. Each bag measures 11 inches wide by 13 inches long, providing ample space for your storage needs. What we like. This option provides a massive quantity of convenient storage bags for everyday use. The included twist ties make sealing a breeze, and their disposable nature simplifies cleanup. If you frequently pack lunches, store leftovers, or need a quick and easy way to manage food items in bulk, this is an excellent value. What people say. I seldom use these bags for freezer storage, but they have so many other useful purposes for leftover food and many other purposes. They are nice and pliable, and it's easy to just knot them once for sticking things into the refrigerator. These are great to put items in for reselling. Their item arrives in a clean, professional-looking bag, and I save money. Number 1. EcoQuality 1-gallon clear plastic bucket with lid and handle, 5-pack. Keep your food fresh and safe with these versatile containers. Their food-grade design ensures easy handling and storage for a wide range of items, from ice cream to pantry staples. You'll receive 5 containers with matching lids. Transporting your favorite foods is now a breeze. These containers feature a built-in handle and a leak-proof lid, making it simple to carry anything from meats to ice cream without spills. These round containers are perfect for both dry and liquid products. They are ideal for various uses, including food service, pet care, gardening, and even arts and crafts. They are designed for frequent dispensing and refilling. Rest assured, these airtight containers are free from harmful BPA chemicals. This makes them an excellent choice for storing salads, salsas, meal prep portions, and more. Maximize your space with these stackable containers. Their design allows for easy and convenient storage in your home, restaurant, or ice cream parlor. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our products come with a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support, ensuring you have the best experience. What we like. This bucket is designed for easy transport and secure storage of a wide range of items. The built-in handle and leak-proof lid make carrying convenient, while the stackable design saves space. If you need a reliable container for ice cream, meal prep, or even arts and crafts that's easy to move and store, this is an ideal solution. What people say. This container is made of food-grade plastic, ensuring it's safe for storing food items. The 1-gallon size is perfect for storing bulk dry goods like flour, sugar, or rice. It features a sturdy, screw-on lid that provides an airtight seal, keeping contents fresh and preventing spills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.